How to install Steam on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application on your device and then search for the Steam application over here. So let's search for Steam, and here you can see the option of install. Tap on install and you just have to wait for a while until it downloads and install the Steam application on your device. So just wait for a while. Make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device in order to install this application on your device. And as you can see, it has been installed. So we just need to tap on open over here. So open the Steam application over here, and as you tap on the Steam application, it will lead you to the user interface and home page over here. So it will look something like this, where you need to create a Steam account name and then password, and you'll be able to sign in. Now if you don't have a Steam account, you just have a tap on don't have a Steam account and you'll be able to create a new one. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.